possibly. But as of now, on the other side, we do have another point that is breaking out. Team Evolution Mizoram. They have started to fall. God's Given Esports. They had a nice position inside of this dip. And now slowly and steadily, Evolution Mizoram, they are falling. Dire Ghetto did have the nade cooked, but it could not be placed perfectly. Error is quite low in terms of HP, and he will be the first one to take splash damage. One knock has been confirmed, and it's a 2v2 situation. This is where Evolution Mizoram, they can actually capitalize. Nade!
Oh, that was really close. These exchanges are kind of bringing up something crucial that, the numbers advantage is there in the hands of God's Given Esports. But for Evolution Mizoram, they haven't had a great performance in the first 3 games. They were looking forward to get some more in these 3 games, but the start hasn't been that helpful. They might have got one finish, but some random sprays being taken from Radakon, but couldn't make that proper connection. And in the meanwhile, Salty, we've got another team in the question. It's going to be Fintox Esports in the close proximity. It's RIP Gaming coming into the question.
RIP Gaming coming into the picture. Team X-Park, they will have to retreat from this position as quickly as they can, but no way. Sarang was caught with that nade, and Rolf is going to find for first contact. The second one might just go flying in, but Sarang has repositioned himself. He might be able to crawl, but he will not be able to run. But Team RIP, even they aren't looking to capitalize. I mean, they did come in with watering mouths and watering tongues. They do have Team Forever right next to them, but Team Forever, I'm not really sure if they are able to hold on to that carnage. Look at this, Team X-Park as well. Shadow, that was a really courageous move to rotate right next to Team RIP, but the rest of the team has been consumed already. We talked about it. Team RIP focused on their positioning. They did not charge against X-Park, but they held them back, and now they have 2 finishes on board. But they have to survive this onslaught. Team Fintox from the back lines. The artillery strike did come in, and now it's some sort of resistance which Team RIP just wants to put up. They haven't really been successful so far, but Fintox, we'll have to see what their next move is.
Last 5 teams, 20 players in the question. X-Park takes a very tragic exit that I really didn't expect. But RIP Gaming, the kind of decision that they made did come fruitful for them. But look at so many Molotovs in that direction. Fintox Esports definitely trying to make sure that by utils only, we want to find at least 1 or 2 frags or 2 openings so that they can charge in. But still not that lucky. They might have got a couple of openings, knocks, but those have been revived. And RIP Gaming, they've completely back on the 4-man.
But where do they go from now is the question, Necros, because on one side they've got Team Fintox, on one side they've got Team INS. They cannot directly leapfrog these 2 teams, and they're kind of stuck in between a rock and a hard place right now. Leapfrog these 2 teams and enter into the circle, because Team Forever will gatekeep them then. It seems like Team RIP, they're kind of stuck in between a rock and a hard place right now. Look at this. Oh, I said it right. On one side they go, Team INS is left waiting, and here it comes, the onslaught. I think 3 or 2 players have been brought down, just 2 remain, but on the other side there's been another push that has happened. Team Fintox has actually pushed up to Team Forever. What on earth is happening right now? Team RIP, they've closed up on Team INS. So Runway is down, but Hydro from the back lines will look to sort of hold them back. On the other side, Team Forever, they've managed to survive the onslaught from Fintox as well. Team Fintox just choked themselves to death.